Hello, this is going to be a short video on how to get the flight simulator aircraft at a gate running with a flight plan loaded so that you can use the Microsoft Flight Simulator ATC. And you're joining me here. We're on runway 24 at Luxembourg, and I've already loaded the aircraft, and I've also positioned PSX on the same runway as the aircraft, but I've not connected them with WidePSX. So that's the situation we are at the moment. And what I want to do is, having got the aircraft loaded with the engines running, we want to go back to the load screen. And I'm sorry there'll be a little bit of hanging around while we do this, while we reload the aeroplane. But okay, now we're back at the load screen, and I want to select, this time I want to select Luxembourg, ELLX, but this time I want to select a gate. So I'm going to go and I'm going to take the first one, which is parking 12 on the ramp. That'll do us just fine. And this time we're going to put in a destination airport, and this time it's going to be Milano, which is LIMC. So Lima, India, Mike, Charlie. Okay. And that's fine. Now I also want to put in a route. Now you can put in your own route by using the load save, but just for this demonstration I'm going to just select high altitude airways, okay, and accept that as the route. Doesn't matter if you're doing this flight properly, you want to make sure this route is correct, but for this demo I just want to show you how it's done. So we then click fly, and this is where I do my sing-a-song and tell you funny stories, which I'm not going to do while Microsoft Flight Simulator loads. So please bear with me, it shouldn't take too long. But what will happen now is Microsoft Flight Simulator will launch this aircraft at the gate, but with the engines running and with ATC available. And I'll demonstrate that in just a moment. Come on, come on. Okay. Haha, all right. Okay, so here we are at the gate, and let's just pop outside and have a look where we are. Absolutely perfect. Now, to check whether we've got ATC, let's just open up the ATC window. And you're not going to be able to see this because it's so small. Let me make this bigger, and then maybe you can read it. So I can tune to Luxembourg ATIS, and everything is working fine, and I'm getting the ATIS showing on the scroll here. I've got voices turned off on this and everything, but this demonstrates that we are working, and that the ATC is working just fine. Alright, so let's put that away and now make this small again and go back to PSX. Now I have PSX positioned at the moment on the runway at let me zoom in, on the runway at Luxembourg. find the aircraft. Okay, I don't know whether you can see that, but there we go. I'm on the runway at Luxembourg. Now, what I want to do is position PSX to where the cargo lux is parked. So let's go ahead and start WidePSX. All right, and we will connect, and we get 3 greens. Go to the scenery bridge. This time I want PSX to be the slave to Flight Simulator, and we'll set the bridge. And of course it's gone to night time now, so what I'll do, just bring that back to daytime. There we go, that's fine. And so now the PSX is aligned with the cargo lux, and now you're ready to do the pre-flight planning, and you're ready to go. And you can use now the ATC from Microsoft Flight Simulator. Well, I hope that's been helpful, and look forward to seeing you again when there's something more to talk about. Take care, and thank you very much for watching.